5 things I wish I knew when I first started algorithmic trading. Back in September 2022, I had just lost my job. I actually quit my job and I had another job lined up. But the day that I quit my job, my brand new job fell over. I was standing there, literally outside the front of my old office building after a farewell party. My new job was about to start on the Monday and I was absolutely crushed when the recruiter called me up telling me that I had budget cuts and decided not to proceed with my new contract. So it was then and there that I decided to control my own destiny and jump into Forex trading. It had always been something that I was interested in. I had dabbled in it in a little bit, but never really taken it seriously. So I wanted to give it a good go. But where do I start? I didn't know. So I thought to myself, you know what? I'm going to try out commercial expert advisors. And that one tiny decision wasted 2 years of my life. These days, I no longer trade with commercial expert advisors because based on my experience testing around 40 to 50 commercial expert advisors over the first 2 years of my trading, I actually gained very, very little knowledge during that time. All I did was grab an expert advisor, put it on a Livo demo account, and the ones that worked only had short-term success, and then the market changed and they didn't adapt to the new trading conditions. So overall, none of them proved worthy of continuing down the commercial expert advisors path. And over the 2 years, the only thing that I learned was how much manipulation there is in the marketplace. And the reason I made the initial decision to start off with commercial expert advisors because I knew I didn't know anything. So I wanted to learn from the best. But the thing is, when you buy an expert advisor, you actually learn nothing. You see a take profit and a stop loss, and that's it. There's no learning about strategy development. There's no learning about portfolio management, robustness testing. So that's why nowadays, even though I get tons and tons of emails every single week about please review my expert advisor, here's a free expert advisor I coded, I don't respond to any of those emails. I don't use any of those robots because I know now, after wasting 2 years of my life, that it is not the true path to financial wealth. A lot of the expert advisors and robots out there are actually really, really high risk grid martingale expert advisors, which leads me to point number 2, survivorship bias. So grid martingale expert advisors, they all look the same. They all have these amazingly smooth equity charts, and it leads you to think, especially when you've seen enough of them, that, hey, look, everyone's making money. This surely must be a viable way of growing your account to build long-term success. But I watched these accounts very slowly, and I noticed that occasionally 1 or 2 would blow up, and then a few months later, more would blow up. And I only noticed because I was paying attention to them very, very closely. Someone brand new to trading, they wouldn't have the history and they wouldn't be aware of survivorship bias. They would just come in, they see all these accounts that look fantastic, and they would buy an expert advisor. But after 2 years of watching account after account blow up, the ones that survived were also highly manipulated. The vendors, when experiencing a huge drawdown, they would deposit more money and then withdraw them again. So the account itself would look like it had an amazing track record, but in reality, there is so much manipulation from the vendor depositing and withdrawing funds. So it made it look like the account was doing so much better than it was. I also performed a 6-month-long experiment where, after realizing that most grid martingale expert advisors blow up over the long term, I tried a much shorter term approach. I wanted to try doubling a small account over a month or a month and a half to see if trading grid martingale strategies on super high risk settings would be profitable in the long term. And after 6 months, I was about to break even. So it was then and there that I decided even trading grid martingale expert advisors on high risk settings, trying to blow them up or double them over a short amount of time was not really sustainable. So that's why now I don't really trade grid martingale expert advisors, because they can blow up your account, and they will blow up your account. And if you look at the evidence online, well, the accounts that you see online are all based on survivorship bias, because all the blown up accounts have been hidden by the sellers because they don't want you to know about it. They have 50 accounts, 40 of them might blow up, and all you see is the handful that still survive to this day. After I decided not to trade commercial expert advisors anymore, I was looking at other pathways that were available for algorithmic traders, because I had already decided a long time ago that manual trading and discretionary trading was not for me. So I really wanted to go all in on algorithmic trading. And the other path that was laid out before me was developing and creating my own expert advisors. And at that point, I was about 18 years in the industry as a full-time programmer and a data scientist. I knew how to code in MQL4 and a little bit of MQL5, but I discovered that developing your own expert advisors, it isn't the holy grail people make it out to be, because the development process in an actual proper strategy development workflow is only 10% of the work. After a bit of research, I discovered robustness testing, walk forward optimization, multi-time frame testing, multi-currency testing, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you do decide to go down the coding path, great. I think being able to code your own expert advisors is definitely going to save you money, because you're not buying commercial expert advisors anymore, but it's not the holy grail, especially if you want to be able to have results fast. The actual development process, depending on how good you are of a programmer and how fast you come up with strategies, it could take you a few days, a few weeks, or even a few months to code up a strategy. And after that, that's only 10% of the work completed. After that, you still have to do robustness testing to ensure that the strategy that you've developed isn't over-optimized, that it is robust. And to do that, to reduce the probability that your strategy is not over-optimized, you have to do robustness testing. If it took you a few weeks to develop your strategy, then robustness testing would take you a few months. And I personally did not want to spend 5-6 months developing a strategy only to find that it was crap and a total waste of time. I wanted to find a process that allowed me to develop strategies faster and throw them away faster. The more strategies I can go through in a short amount of time, the more likelihood that I will be able to find a successful strategy within a 6-month or a 1-year period. If you're a good trader, you might want to check out DarwinX Zero. If you're not familiar with them, they are a platform designed to reward good traders. You can get a simulated 100K account to trade and earn money from your trading. Currently, there are a total of 4 different ways to make money on DarwinX. In Silver Stage, you get between 30 and 375K, and you can get to keep it for 3 months. In Gold Stage, where you can receive up to 500K in allocation and keep it for 6 months. Then there's Investor Capital, which can get into the millions and millions of dollars. There's the 100K permanent allocation, which comes in 2 different flavors, the instant allocation and the performance-based allocation. And all these 4 different options are stackable. So you can get silver, gold, investor capital, and permanent allocation all in the one account. I've personally been trading with DarwinX for a year and a half. I've received multiple payouts from them and made it into Darwinia Gold. I have recently closed off my old DarwinX accounts because they were trading commercial expert advisors and other tools. So I've recently started a brand new DarwinX account, just trading strategy quant expert advisors, and I will be revealing them in a few months' time. So if you're a trader and want to make some extra money, then I have a discount code below if you decide to sign up. Thanks DarwinX for sponsoring this video. Tip number 4, it's not about the strategy, it's about the process. So I watch a lot and an unhealthy amount of YouTube videos. And generally speaking, if you search online for algorithmic trading in general, a lot of the videos that you come back with are about strategies. A particular strategy, like if you trade this specific RSI indicator with these settings, then it's going to make you $1 million. Or all the videos seem to point out the fact that as soon as you find the perfect strategy that makes and prints loads of money, then all your problems in life will be solved. But I discovered that this is actually not the case. It's not about the strategy at all. It's not about finding a high win rate solution. It's not about finding a no loss solution. It's about having a process, a well thought out process that encompasses all the important aspects of algorithmic trading, like having a small in sample, having a large out of sample, performing Monte Carlo parameter randomization, performing walk forward optimization. True algorithmic trading is not focused on one particular strategy and relying on that one strategy to make and print money forever. It's about the process, about finding and developing a process that will help you develop strategies that will increase the likelihood that this strategy is going to perform and make money for you in the future. Tip number 5. It took me 2 years to discover Strategy Quant, which is a no-code tool that will create strategies for you. Now, this is not the first tool that I've discovered that does this. I've used a few other tools before, but Strategy Quant is unlike any other tool I've used. Every other tool, yes, they can build strategies for you with no code, but the way Strategy Quant is different to other ones is that there is a high and heavy emphasis on robustness testing. A lot of the other tools actually don't have any robustness testing. There's no Monte Carlo, there's no walk forward optimization, and some other tools might have it to some extent, but the functionality isn't as extensive as Strategy Quant. I honestly wished I had discovered it sooner because this tool is honestly so powerful. There is so much potential here. There is so much automation that is possible. Even if you don't know any code at all, there is custom projects where you can just click a few buttons. You've got a build step, you've got an outer sample step, a Monte Carlo step, a walk forward optimization step, and you don't actually have to know any code. The automation functionality is amazing. And there is honestly, if I haven't mentioned it already in this video a million times, the level of robustness tests is incredible. Tip number 6, building a portfolio. So I've known for a while now that portfolios is the holy grail of trading, but understanding that a portfolio is the holy grail versus having an actual tool that will create a portfolio is totally different. And one of the software that I currently use now is Quant Analyzer, which comes as a separate tool when you purchase Strategy Quant, the ultimate package. The portfolio function there allows you to create portfolios not just with Strategy Quant expert advisors, but with any other expert advisors you find online. Let's say you have a commercial expert advisor that you think is fantastic. You can combine that commercial expert advisor with something you code yourself or something that Strategy Quant produces, or that can be combined in a portfolio. And Quant Analyzer will allow you to create balanced portfolios based on correlation. And what correlation is, basically when you don't want all of your strategies making money at the same time and or losing at the same time. You want sometimes when one strategy is making money, the other strategy will lose money, so it balances themselves out. And this eventually gives you a much smoother equity curve. And Quant Analyzer is the only tool that I have found that will create the portfolio for you, combining a whole bunch of different robots into the one portfolio. I have tested other tools before where the portfolio function isn't as comprehensive. Other tools might allow you to create a portfolios only within the tool itself, only with their expert advisors, or only with a certain currency pair and only with a certain time frame. But this is the only tool where I have found that allows you so much freedom in terms of the range of expert advisors from all sources and put them all together in the one portfolio. Speaking of portfolios, if you want to learn more about Quant Analyzer and how you can combine multiple pretty average looking equity curves to make an eventual smooth equity curve, then watch this video right here. Thanks. Bye.